Every home has secrets. The dripping faucet at night, the flickering light, the crack that creeps along your wall. Most people spend thousands fixing them. But what if you could handle it yourself, exposing the hidden drama in your walls? Exposing the hidden drama in your pipes. Saving money one fix at a time. Here's how to become the hero of your own home. Let's be real, home maintenance sounds intimidating. But what if I told you that most little problems have surprisingly simple fixes? You don't need to be an expert, just a bit curious and willing to try. Think about it. Learning to patch up that drywall, swapping out a leaky washer, silencing that squeaky door. These aren't just chores, they're mini victories. Each fix saves cash. It grows your confidence. It makes your home truly yours. YouTube is packed with quick tutorials. Basic toolkits cost way less than a handyman call. Plus, every time you solve a problem yourself, you're adding another cool skill to your life. So next time your house starts acting up, don't panic. Grab a wrench, cue up a video, give DIY a try. Your wallet and your future self will thank you.